Hello, my name is Erika Viana Rodriguez Martinez. This is test two for Eastern on Western civilization. So we're gonna focus on the differences of these two places. So the Eastern and Western have many differences based on their cultures and behavior. For example, for social characteristic, we have people in Western tend to be more traditional, more democratic, individualistic, and emphasizing your personal achievements, independent actual expression, believe in personal freedom and in human rights. In the other hand, Western emphasis in a collective harmony, people to be tend more indirect and try to avoid the conflicts, believe in a social harmony and respect authority, duties, and the family are very important. The most important tradition of these two places is that married. In Western they believe that the laws follows with the married, but in Eastern the parents arrange the marriage. So we kind of focus in the family. So the family decided with who you get married. Another differences for these two places. One of these is we're gonna focus on the religion and spirituality. So in Eastern, you believe like in Buddhism, Taoism, yeah, are very important. The spirituality, and in the other hand, in Eastern, you believe like Catholicism and Christianism based on the ethics, the decision are related with the freedom, so are very different. And in the other hand, we can say other of the differences in the role of the women. So the idea is that we kind of focus in this role. So in Western, with the women have um, focus in an individual struggle, and you can focus that more freedom. But in Eastern, the women are not so much freedom. So and we kind of focus more in the family. The role of the women are very traditional. Yeah, the women are in the house, so we have a big difference. Even another kind of difference for these two places, or focus in the personal appearance, and even focus in the food. The food are very different too, and we have many differences. So I hope that you like it, and that's it. Thanks.